Genesis has introduced two striking concept cars at the 2025 Seoul Auto Show, the XGran Coupe and the XGran Convertible. Based on the flagship model G90, these two concept cars combine the dynamism of a sports car with the freedom of a convertible, emphasizing Genesis' unique position in the luxury car market. The X Gran Convertible's design is redolent of the finest red wines in southern Europe. It amazes consumers by perfectly combining elegance and luxury. With its unique design architecture, the X Gran Convertible has become a shining pearl in the luxury car field, while the X Gran Convertible allows drivers and passengers to connect with nature in an open space and experience a unique open-top driving experience. The front-end designs have undoubtedly attracted a lot of attention. They all adopt the iconic parallel double flag design of the Genesis family, inspired by the eye-catching LED headlights and closed grille. The large lower air intake and sculpting create a sporty feel, while the smooth body lines enhance the visual impact. In addition, the bold design of the side profile, combined with the placement of frameless windows, makes the overall appearance more dynamic. In the interior, the X Gran Coupe concept car, inspired by olive trees, offers a natural sense of luxury. The model name is embroidered on the welcome pedal, and the olive leaf pattern on the carpet is a perfect reflection of excellent workmanship. The interior of the X Gran Convertible stands out with the dark wine red tone of Cabernet Sauvignon grapes, which makes the entire cabin look warm and attractive. At the same time, the use of crystal ornaments takes the luxury of these two cars to a new dimension. In today's rapidly developing automobile market, Genesis has once again demonstrated its design potential and technological power with the X Gran Convertible concept cars. Genesis Magma Team will have the opportunity to showcase the brand's competitive side by participating in the 2026 WEC World Endurance Championship and the 2027 IMSA Guardiola Sports Car Championship in the future. In short, these two new concept cars are a perfect interpretation of the Genesis brand vision, showcasing the traditional charm of luxury cars while bringing new vitality to the driving experience of the future. Friends in the automotive industry, the dazzling automotive innovation once again demonstrates the strength and creativity of the brand, and we are eagerly awaiting it.